Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator. Today I am going to make a video as to advanced structure. It sounds like should be. So why to use, how to use this kind of structure in our daily conversation. So should be. So what is the meaning of should be? If you want to learn should be at first, you have to learn use of V. What is the meaning of V? So let's see. V has four meanings like be, was, were, being, wing. Okay, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4. Similarly, this is called verb go. Go has four meanings like uh, go, went, gone, going. Do you want to say something or anything? Okay, Papa do. Have a kiss. She's my baby. She's around 3 years old. Okay, so keep quiet. Okay, so let's see and have a look. So let's get into the video. Like, so I am talking about like V. So if you want to learn V, at first you have to know about V. V is instead of being. So what is the meaning of instead of being? It is not action. Action is like I'm making, I make, she works, I sleep, I'm going there. This is kind of action. Action is motion. It is just going on. But instead of being, was, where, we, it is called your situation, your position. It is not working. Okay, so I am making a video with the drama so that you can understand my point. Like we yes, mom, where is my wallet? Where is my wallet? I have been searching since morning. Okay, do you know about that? Yes, your wallet should be under the pillow. Your wallet should be under the pillow. Okay, after that you can say where is papa? Your papa should be at the office. And where is my elder sister? Your elder sister should be at that room. Okay, you can say like this, this is a pond. You can say this pond should not be here, this pond should be there. Okay, you can say this tree should not be here, this tree should be there. I'm just imagining that there is a boy who is playing with mud. Okay, so you can say, what are you doing right now? You should be at home, and you should be studying at your home. Like should be. You can say you should be there. You should be here. I should not be here. I should be. I should be on the roof. Okay, my baby she's safe and sound in my arms. She should be at their homes. So that is how you can use this kind of advanced structure like should be that just you at first you have to take any subject. After that should be. Okay, if you want to learn v, it is not using everywhere. It is where it is used like should we, can we, maybe. Okay, maybe. So that is how. So I'm not going to ask this kind of question. I will make a video some other day. So till then, take care, keep practicing, have fun. Assalamu alaikum.